Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. The French car maker Renault launched their latest version of the small crossover Captur. Made to conquer the city streets, the new small SUV has to fight against his main rival, the Korean Hyundai Kona. So in today's video we are driving a head-to-head comparison between those two popular crossovers, the 2024 Hyundai Kona and the 2024 Renault Captur. So let's start by comparing their lengths. And the Hyundai Kona has a total length of 4 meters and 35 centimeters, while the Renault Captur measures only 4 meters and 23 centimeters. And that makes the Kona 12 centimeters longer, giving it an edge in terms of cabin space and cargo capacity. And now let's have a brief look at their interiors. So the Hyundai Kona equips two 12.3-inch displays on the dashboard, one for the digital instrument cluster and the other one for the multimedia touchscreen, offering a sleek and modern look. It also offers a generous 466 liters of boot space, providing ample room for your stuff. Meanwhile, the Renault Captur features a vertical 10.4-inch touchscreen and an optional 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster. In terms of boot space, it offers between 484 liters in the combustion versions and 480 liters for the E-Tech full hybrid version, which is quite impressive. And now let's talk about power. The Hyundai Kona offers a range of powertrains including a petrol engine, a petrol 48-volt mild hybrid and a full hybrid. On the other hand, the Renault Captur offers three gasoline engines, a 1.0 TCE turbo with 90 horsepower, two options of 1.3 TCE mild hybrid turbo with 140 and 160 horsepower. Additionally, it comes in a full hybrid version with a 1.6 liter engine and an electric motor boosting together 250 horsepower. Quite impressive. And last but not the least, let's talk about price. The Hyundai Kona starts at around 25,000 euros, offering great value for its features and performance. Meanwhile, the Renault Captur comes with a slightly lower price point, starting at around 22,000 euros. That makes it a compelling option for the budget-conscious buyers. And as a final conclusion, we can clearly say that the new 2024 Renault Captur has not an easy job in front of his main rival, the Hyundai Kona, but the time will say which one will have more pleased customers. So at the end of our video, we'd like to know which one would you choose. Let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive content. Until the next time, happy driving!